Hi guys! So I've been wanting to do this Vogue style travel makeup tutorial for a while, so here's my go. So when I travel, I have to have like makeup on because I'm shooting a travel show, but when you travel, who wants to wear makeup? So I'm going to show you kind of my go-to easy breezy look, and I can pump it up with extra blush and lipstick when I have to do on camera work. Here we go. Let's go. So my face is already cleaned and I've already moisturized my lips. So now let's go into the foundation, and I've pumped my favorite Lancome 24-hour tientidole into this little travel case. A little goes a long way. Get under those eyes. Oh, and this is my favorite brush that I got from Tarte. It's perfect for travel because you can see it has two ends, a foundation application and then for a little fine work, which you see me do under my eyes. Next, I use this Mixed Chick Stick foundation and bronzer combo, and I've used the foundation up, but it's a really beautiful bronzer, and I love the stick because it's easy to pack in your travel bag. Glow. Probably my favorite product right now for traveling is this Becca Beach Tint, and I use it as a blusher and as a lip tint, and it gives me kind of just like this fresh look that lasts for a pretty long time. It's supposed to be waterproof. I have found that the lip doesn't stay too long, but the blush just kind of gives me this glow that I don't have to think about all day. Oh, and it smells like raspberry, and this is the shade in raspberry. Now I set everything with my CoverGirl Queen collection. It's been battle tried from traveling. And I'm using the color Light Golden. So I have pretty small eyes, relatively speaking, and they are almond shaped, so it's a must. There's a big dramatic difference if I eyeliner or not. So I use this Rimmel London, it's like a extended wear waterproof kind, and it's perfect for travel. It's very pigmented and black and stays all day. I know you're not supposed to pull your eye, but I really like to get as close to the lash line as I can. And I always do a wing liner. And now you can see the difference, right? If I want a more precise wing, I use this pen tip one. It's kind of like a brand I picked up while traveling, no name, somewhere in Asia. Now it's time for the mascara duel. Okay, so this is a very precise science. My favorite of all time, They're Real by Benefit, and this is kind of like my everyday. It's almost waterproof, but not quite. So if you're gonna jump into the ocean, then I use this Rimmel Scandaleyes to top it off by Rimmel, and this is waterproof. Now if I do it right, I only need one coat, but let's go ahead and give it a second coat. Now the trick to my eyelashes is that I learned that I need to curl after, not before. So we'll let this dry for about 5 minutes and then I go in and curl. The reason is my lashes are very straight. I have some decent size and length. So if I curl before and then put the mascara on, it's just too heavy and they end up straight again. So if you curl after, then they will stay curled. In the meantime, let's do my brows. And then the brow pencil that I use is always rubbed off because I use it so much, but it's by CoverGirl. We've already done my lips, but if we want a more intense lip for an all-day stay, I love, love, love Sephora's cream lip stain, and this is in the number 38. Kind of matches my pink today. Did I mention that it lasts all day and it dries matte? So to top off the look, let's not forget about curling my lashes. Top it off with my jewelry and my famous map of the world necklace. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I tried my best to do Vogue style, little stops and bumps along the way, but if you want to know all of these products, I will put the links below. And if you're looking at the blog posts, then they're right there in plain sight as well. Alright, so if you want more on the road beauty tutorials, I'd be happy to do them, only if you want them. So let me know in the comments. Bye, until next time, cheers to the journey.